So what's your driving review so far, Wyatt?
It's nice. It's warm in here. The heat is really nice, except after about 30 seconds, it gets hot as balls in here and you start sweating. That's when the heat gets annoying. But overall, it's not too bad. Speedometer works.
Shifts, it stops.
Brakes a little touchy though.
Yeah.
But we'll fix that.
It's better than no brakes.
Better than no car.
Yep. And we're putting it to work.
Yep. Would you rather have this or the Pioneer?
Probably this. This is cooler. Push mule. Gotta lift up a little bit so you can push it back. Okay, push it back. Come on, Mr. Strong Man. Use your strong hand. There you go. There you go. Okay, get farther back. Get like back. There you go. Push mule, push. Yeah, mule, yeah.
I'm slipping all over the place.
There you go. Now you got it. Try and get some sort of degreaser on it. This is pine sol. Let's see how good that works. It works good on carburetors and works good on breaking up the stuff on carburetors and that oh, what is that thing called? The ultrasonic cleaner. Smells good. It'll smell like a
No, it's just that I'm inhaling it.
old house. Oh, all right.
Power washing it right now. Now it doesn't look like it's been sitting for all its life. Well, for the most part. Still got like 54% of the truck to go, so I guess we'll see you then. Oh yeah. Look at all the paint on the ground. There's a crap ton of paint. Holy crap. You see all that paint? All that paint is from this truck right here. This truck right here is now littering on our floor. So great job. Great job, truck. Certified rig.